Hello dear viewers. The phone I have in my hand looks like a Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. This phone model is Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. Now today I'll show you how to turn on call waiting service in Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime phone. That's why after I have to turn on the phone first. Then I will put the SIM on the phone. And second time you need to find the phone's dial pad option to enable call waiting service. And then after clicking on that option on the dial pad, three dots will appear in front of you. Then click on the three dot buttons. Then from here you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will see an option called more settings. Just pull down and record calls, roaming assistance. You can see more settings. Just click on more settings. When you click on more settings, then you will see an option call waiting service. You just turn it on. Wait few seconds. And your phone is now call waiting service is fully enabled. So viewers, if you want to like